Alexa, parang kay ni Katie, parang ang 2025 ay fitness era niyo, no?
Actually, alam niyo po, it's been something I've been trying to do since 2023. So, I've been a work in progress talaga. It's something I've been working on.
Magkalayo kayo ng bahay ni Katie, pero do you have a time to work out together?
Actually, not really. We've tried, pero ang layo kasi talaga ni Katie sa akin. And yung oras namin na mag-workout, ako sa morning, siya sa gabi. And ayoko sa gabi nag-gym kasi. So, hindi kami nagkakasabay. And iba yung style, iba yung workout na nag-work for him, and iba yung sa akin. So, focus na lang ako sa... Yung gym din naman is like me time for me.
Pero how do you motivate each other to keep yourself fit?
Honestly, kasi we both understand the value of being consistent. How consistency is truly key. You don't need motivation, you need consistency. That's the kind of discipline you need to instill sa sarili mo, sa mind mo. So ako, I'm very thankful naman na I'm able to have that kind of thinking. So andun lang kami, like whenever we go to the gym, lagi lang na, hey, good job, you did it. Even if you didn't want to, you did it, good job. Parang mga ganun lang.
Saan bagay pa kayo consistent? Saan bagay pa kayo consistent?
Pagkain din.
Kain ka?
Mahilig din kami kumain, sobra. Kaya din siguro extra push din mag-workout kasi I really love to eat. We love such big foodies, super foodies talaga. Kasi that's how we enjoy life.
Pero wala ka naman.
Ay, salamat po. Yun nga, madaming ginagawa para makontra ang madaming pagkain din. Pero yun lang naman po. Thank you po. And it's something I choose for myself.
Salamat.
Thank you. Hello.